Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x800F0988. So if you're receiving this error code while updating your Windows 10 to the latest version, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, go to Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot, then click on Additional Troubleshooter, and then click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and run this command. The command is provided in the video description. So copy this command and then open command prompt window. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key and let the scan complete. So once this is complete, close this window, go to the start menu, then click on the power icon and then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see, scroll down, and here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10. Click on it and this will download the zip file. So click on this zip file and then click on show in folder. So go to the download folder, then make a right click on the zip file, then click on extract all, click on extract, and after the extract you can go ahead and open the folder. So open this WU reset Windows 10 and then make a right click on WU reset and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. And over here you can see press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. So first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the services and then it will go ahead and restart all the services, and this will go ahead and reset the Windows Update components. So this process may take some time, maybe a few seconds or maybe a minute. So let this process complete. Do not close this window. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services once again. And once this is done, it will tell you to press any key to continue. So again, press any key on the keyboard and this will close this window. Now go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and run these two commands. Commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command and then paste it in the command prompt window and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the command prompt window and then hit the enter key. And once the second scan is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 10. Now in case nothing is working, in that case the last step is to use media creation tool to update Windows 10. For this, copy this link and then it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, over here you can see media creation tool, click on download tool now and then run the exe file and then you will see the screen. So click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. So once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.